Member for Vernon-Monashee.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. We had a particularly challenging summer this year in the interior due to wildfires and rising COVID cases. I want to reflect and show appreciation for the efforts of everyone in our communities coming together once again. While there were hundreds of wildfires across the province that caused incredible amount of devastation, I'd like to speak to the impacts of the White Rock Lake fire. Many in Vernon-Monashee and the North Okanagan had over a month of sleepless nights, worrying about their homes, their livestock, and the safety of their neighbors. What brought solace and reassurance in this challenging time was communities coming together. Neighbors were opening their doors and offering their homes to people who were evacuated. And restaurants were offering free meals, and communities would gather to cheer on and show support to our incredible firefighters, equipment operators, Canadian Armed Forces, volunteers, and emergency crews every evening. The brave firefighters on the front lines and those working behind the scenes tried their best to keep us all safe, despite facing ongoing challenges caused by unpredictable weather. My amazing CAs, Josh and Emily, worked long hours, trying to help many people as they could, regardless of their electoral boundaries, and they did their absolute best to support people to make sure that they were connected to the resources they needed. Mr. Speaker, times like these are when we all need to put politics aside, to forget about our electoral boundaries and work together. At the same time, our healthcare heroes were faced with rising COVID cases. Despite many being on evacuation orders and alerts, my former healthcare colleagues still showed up to work. Please join me to applaud the solidarity, unwavering dedication, and kindness shown during this catastrophic event. Thank you.